A lot of people want to eat healthier, but they don't always have the time to cook, or they just want to cut back on oily food. That's where air fryers come in. They let you make crispy, tasty meals with way less fat and without the hassle of traditional frying. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best air fryers available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these air fryers, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the Ninja Air Fryer, a great option for anyone who wants to cook for several people without spending too much time in the kitchen. It has a 5.8 quart basket, which is big enough to prepare around 3 pounds of food in one single batch. That makes it really useful for families, meal prep, or when you just want leftovers ready for the week. The basket is wide and non-stick, so food doesn't stick, and serving is much easier. This model includes 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It works with 1,750 watts of power, which helps the hot air circulate evenly and reduces cooking time. You can get everything from crispy fries to juicy chicken or roasted veggies without using much oil. In fact, it can cook with up to 75% less fat than a regular deep fryer, while still keeping the same texture and flavor. Cleaning is also simple because the basket and the crisping plate are dishwasher safe. That means no scrubbing and no soaking after cooking. Another advantage is its temperature range, Bahar, which goes from 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can choose low heat for slow cooking or high heat for fast browning. It also includes a dehydrate mode, perfect for making homemade snacks like dried fruit, apple chips, or veggie crisps without added sugar. It even comes with a recipe guide with 20 ideas, very helpful for beginners, or for anyone who wants to try new dishes without guessing. This option stands out in the list of best air fryers because of its large capacity, versatility, and how easy it is to use, especially for people who want to cook healthier meals without losing flavor or spending extra time in the kitchen. Next up, we have the Topzee Air Fryer, a great choice for anyone who wants to cook faster and with less oil, without dealing with a complicated appliance. It runs on 1,000 watts of power and uses hot air circulation to make food crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, even when using little to no oil. That means you can make fries, chicken, veggies, and other fried-style meals in a healthier way, while still keeping good flavor. The temperature can be adjusted between 212 and 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and it also includes a built-in timer. On top of that, it comes with 7 preset cooking modes, automatic shutoff, and a reminder that alerts you when it's time to shake the food for even browning. These features make it very beginner-friendly, especially for people who cook in a hurry or don't have much experience using an air fryer. Its 2-quart capacity is perfect for 1 or 2 servings, which makes it ideal for students, single users, couples, or small kitchens. The compact size fits easily on tight countertops, and it's also convenient to take in an RV or use in a small apartment. The basket and inner tray have a non-stick coating, so food doesn't stick and serving is much easier. The basket is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes just a few seconds. The outside only needs a quick wipe to look clean again. It also includes a shake reminder to help get an even, golden finish on your food. The lightweight and modern design lets you leave it on the counter without taking up much space, or store it away when not in use. This option stands out for its compact size, easy operation, and ability to cook healthier meals while still keeping a crispy texture. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the NutriChef Air Fryer, a model designed for people who want good cooking control without making things complicated. It lets you adjust the temperature up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and set a 60-minute timer. And it also includes several preset modes for foods like chicken, steak, wings, fries, fish, and even a defrost option. These presets make it easier to get the right result without constantly checking the food. It runs on 1,200 watts of power, so it heats up quickly and cuts down overall cooking time. The 5.8 quart capacity is large enough to cook multiple servings in one batch, which makes it useful for families or anyone who likes to meal prep. Thanks to the 360-degree hot air circulation, food cooks evenly and stays crispy without needing a lot of oil. Both the basket and inner tray have a non-stick coating and are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes only a few seconds. It also includes auto shutoff and overheat protection, which is helpful if you step away while it's running. The LED touchscreen and clear viewing window let you check the cooking progress without opening the fryer and losing heat. Its compact stainless steel design doesn't take up much counter space and gives it a clean, modern look in the kitchen. The cool touch handle makes it safe to grab the basket, and because it's lightweight, you can store it easily when you're not using it. This appliance stands out for its large capacity, simple operation, and easy cleaning, making it a solid choice for anyone who wants healthier meals with less oil and less effort. Now let's move on to the Paris Hilton Air Fryer, a great option for anyone who wants to eat healthier without giving up the crispy texture of traditional fried food. With 1,700 watts of power, it can cook food that's golden on the outside and tender on the inside while using up to 75% less fat, which makes it perfect for reducing oil without losing flavor. One of its biggest advantages is that it comes with 8 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, keep warm, pizza, and dehydrate. All of this is controlled through a backlit touchscreen that's simple to use and has a modern, stylish look that fits well on any kitchen counter. The temperature range goes from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can make anything from dried fruit snacks to fully browned meats with high heat. It has a 6-quart capacity, which is enough to cook multiple servings in one batch, making it ideal for families, guests, or people who like to meal prep for the week. The basket and crisping tray come with a non-stick, chemical-free coating so food doesn't stick, and it's safe when in contact with meals. Both the basket and inner plate are dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning super easy. The exterior only needs a quick wipe and it's ready for the next use. It also features a high-speed air circulation system that cooks food faster and doesn't require preheating, saving time when you're in a rush. This model stands out for its elegant design, versatility, and strong performance, especially for people who want a practical air fryer that cooks with less oil while still looking good on the counter. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, we have the Vortex Plus Air Fryer, a great choice for anyone who wants to cook fast with less oil and without dealing with a lot of kitchen appliances. One of the biggest advantages of this model is that it combines 6 cooking functions in one device, so you can air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat food without needing a separate machine for each task. That makes it a space-saving and time-saving option for everyday use. Another strong point is its wide temperature range, which goes from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows you to cook everything from low-heat recipes like dried fruit to high-heat meals that need a golden, crispy finish. All the controls are handled through a touch display with automatic programs that show each step of the cooking process, which is especially helpful for beginners. Even though it has a compact design, it can still prepare up to 4 servings at once, making it ideal for students, couples, or small families. Thanks to its even crisp technology, food gets a crunchy texture while using up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy fries, nuggets, or snacks without all the excess grease. The basket has a non-stick coating, so the cleanup is quick, usually just a rinse or a wipe with a damp cloth. It also includes built-in safety features like auto shutoff and overheat protection, which is useful if you're cooking while doing other things around the house. With everything it offers, multiple cooking modes, easy operation, healthier results, and a compact size, it's a solid option for anyone looking for a practical and versatile air fryer that delivers crispy food without the guilt. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect air fryer, or if there's another air fryer you'd like us to include in a future top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more details or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.